What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today's episode we got my pickup truck in the garage and we got a couple things that we're gonna be working on. So we got this guy right here. I know you guys know what this is, especially those of you that drive Ford, Chevy, most of the other vehicles that rust really easy. And we got this paint exact the same, 100% matching. So this is the problem we have right here a little bit. We got some rust coming through. It's a little crusty. Here too, and a little bit right here. We're gonna just clean this guy up. So that's on today's list. We're gonna work on this. See, I started sanding it down a little bit. I need to scrape a little bit more. Put some of that guy on and hope for the best. Alright guys, so I never attempted this before. So I'm not even sure how to attack this problem, but let's get to it. Well, boys, we put a hole right there. That's a pretty big hole too. Let's move out of the way a little bit. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get this guy. Holy smokes. We need a brush for this. So this guy was supposed to work in 30 minutes. I don't know how accurate that is. 30 minutes? I mean, I don't know how good this is. I'm gonna give it a shot. See. Alright guys, so we got Fender Flairs for the truck. We got the fronts. That's the back right and that's the back left. So let's go over there. See, I put this rust thing, rust neutralizer. It's supposed to neutralize all the rust and turn it back into a good stuff. So let's go back to the other side and go from there. Alright, so we're back on the passenger side. We have no rust on this side, so this one is going to be a lot easier to work with. So we got a drill. Alright, this should be passenger side. Alright guys, so we got this side secured and tight. And just like that, we got a Fender Flair that looks close to original. I mean, the fitment is really good. Can't really complain about it. So let's see for the front, what can we do? Alright guys, we got the front done. Looking good except the little top right there, but I had a little accident hitting a tree a little bit. I mean, it's the aerodynamics. The back one looks really good and flush. No issues. That's still drying. It's still not dry. It takes about 30 minutes. We can walk up to the front. This front is really good, nice and clean. So I can go ahead and get this one installed. All right guys, so we got the driver's side on. It looks really good. I mean, all you have to do is start on the bottom, either the front or the back. Since there is a clip on the bottom and the back of the wheel, so you can start from there and just go all the way around. They also leave some two-way tape inside for you, so you can tape it up, let it hold it for you. There you go. All right guys, let's slow the tail a little bit. We go with this one later, so that should be good. Now all we have to do is manufacture, install it. Alright guys, so we're working on this side now. So let me get the bottom back. So we're going to run right here. So we're going to have to drill this hole no matter what, right here, and then one more tip in, and you should be it.